Okay, so when we look at this problem, right, there's a few things we want to notice. All right, the first thing we want to notice is that we all have the same base, right, and it is multiplication. So we need to think to ourselves, hey, I have a tool I can use to simplify this equation. If they have the same base, then I know the base is going to be the same. And these exponents, right, this is divide by 5 7 times, multiply by 5 12 times, and then divide by 5 2 times. So, right, the division and the multiplication are going to cancel each other out. But the rule is, right, that you are going to add these exponents. So now we just need to take -7 plus 12 plus a -2, right? So we have seven negatives and 2 negatives. So that is, right, we can combine those to 12 plus -9. And so we have, these are going to cancel out, right? So there's 12 positives and 9 negatives. So that is a +3, right? And so that is what goes up here on our answer. So this would have been 5 to the third. All right. So that was page 38, number 23. All right, next problem. All right, so we're going to think about this problem for a second. See if we can think to ourselves what this answer might be. I mean, the numbers are small, so we can do a little bit of mental math here. Okay, so, right, when I see a problem like this, I think to myself, I see exponents, I see things with the same base, so I'm going to want to use some exponent rules. Right here, right, this is a, when I see this, this is a power of a power, and so I can think to myself, hey, then that would be whatever this is, right, to the -2. So you could, it's really dividing by that twice, but the rule is to multiply. So your standard in 8th grade is not just like to kind of, you need to understand the rules, but then also be able to use those rules. So we're going to take 7 times 2. So I'm going to rewrite this, right? So we didn't touch this. So we're going to rewrite it, 8 to the 12th. It's still multiply, but what we did do is we multiplied these two exponents. Our base is the same. We multiplied 7 times -2, and that is -14. And now, right, I have something that looks similar to the last problem. Same base being multiplied. So my rule is to, that's correct, add those exponents, right? So to simplify this, I'm going to add these exponents. And so we have a +12 and a -14. So 12 positives, 14 negatives. Some of them are going to cancel out, which is going to leave you with 2 negatives. And then we want to remember, right, this is okay. We also want to recognize that this could be the same equivalent answer, right? Notice it went into, means division, not a negative number. It goes in the denominator without the negative. We could also know that this is 8 times 8, which is 64. So this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. It all depends on what the answer form you're being asked to turn in.